And then what an ingenious way to keep your food nice and cold versus the ice packs. These are actually cuttable, and they're gonna wrap around your soda. They're gonna wrap around your sandwich. They're gonna wrap around that baby formula. It's our only item on Buy More, Save More tonight. It's $19 for a set of 15 reusable ice sheets. It's called the ThermaFreeze. And if you buy more than one set, going to the same address, you're gonna save an extra $3, and then plus half on your shipping and handling. So that's kind of cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's beach season. It's vacation season, it's picnic season, it's the baseball season, and we're bringing yogurts, we're bringing pops, we're bringing baby formula because you might have a baby and you want to bring them to see their bigger brother's, you know, softball match or baseball game. How do you keep all that cold? Well, usually with a little freezer pack. This is totally different. It's from ThermaFreeze. It's actually ice sheets that you can cut to mold around your food to actually keep your food cool. Awesome. And it's $19. You're going to get a set of 15, 10 medium, 5 large, and you'll get, this is the only item in this show on Buy More and Save More. So your first one is $19. First set is $19. Each additional set drops down to $16. And if it's going to the same order and the same address, you'll save 50% on your shipping and handling. And Lisa Brady, who's one of our great kitchen experts, is here to bring it to us. This is so
Isn't it? It's
ingenious.
so creative. I know. Well, this is what it is. It is the ultimate ice and gel pack substitute. And let me tell you why. Okay, so typically when we want to keep things cold, what do? We use ice. But what happens is the ice melts, and this is what happens. All right, everything becomes a wet, drippy, disgusting mess. And it ruins your sandwich, just ruins everything. Not a good solution. And it also drips out of our little lunch bags and things and does make a mess. We've all been there. Either that or we use the big, heavy, bulky gel packs that don't conform around your food and beverages, so there's no way they're going to keep everything in your lunchbox or your cooler cold. All right, this is the answer. This is a solution. ThermaFreeze ice wraps. This is what happens. You get it like this at home. It's paper thin, so it's not going to take up a lot of room when you're trying to store it. All right, perfect, especially when you're traveling. You want to just bring it like this, and then you can just hydrate it. All you're going to do is hydrate it, put it in warm water, and put it in your freezer. And in less than 2 hours, this is what you get. It's frozen solid. It's an ice sheet that when it's frozen, it's flexible, so you can wrap it around your food and beverages to keep everything colder longer.
What's fun about this is actually was designed for industrial use or for commercial use to actually
shipping across the country.
And so now you get to use this in your home. But here's the deal: we've made it fun.
We did.
So we gave you some choices here. So, and I know that many of you are picking up more than one set. How great and smart is that? We have the plaid, the damask, and how cute is this little polka dot for you? This is chocolatey with the pink polka dot. So buy more and save of $3. So $19 for your first set, $16 then drops down to each additional set.
So Nancy, this is wonderful, and you know what?
I'm on this side, excuse me.
What I want to show is, does it really work? That's the key. That's the question. Okay, so this is what I did. I packed 2 coolers. 2 identical coolers, identical food, identical beverages. This cooler has our ThermaFreeze sheets inside. This cooler has the big, heavy, bulky gel packs. Okay, so now if you look here, we have a temperature gauge. These coolers were packed.
It's right on the screen, right there. Look at that.
4 hours and 8 minutes ago was these temperatures were packed, or these coolers were packed. Now, if you look here, the temperature is 51 degrees. It's in the milk box that is in the cooler with the big, heavy, bulky gel packs. I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to put it in this milk, all right, that has the ThermaFreeze that I can cut to size and wrap it around. And look at how quickly you see that temperature drops. 38 degrees it is. Which milk would you rather drink?
Well, I want my kids to be drinking something that's colder because it's safer and all that other jazz.
Isn't that crazy? But that's just showing you that it actually works, because it's going to be able to conform around your food and beverages. You can cut it to size and put it in. No worries whatsoever.
So I know in the description of it, it says that it's reusable. And so obviously it is reusable, so you can use this time and time and time again.
Over and over and over. Once you use it, and if it gets soft because it melts, or it's been in your cooler for however long. Exactly. All you have to do is just rehydrate it, put it back in the freezer, and use it over and over again.
Okay, now here's the next question. What if one of this, like for some reason it gets punctured and something comes out? Is it toxic to the food that it's around?
Gosh, no. Non-toxic polymer crystal inside, 100% safe around your food. No worries whatsoever. And if that does happen, don't throw your whole sheet away. Just cut that cell out.
That's so smart.
Absolutely.
Because that's what we do if one of the ice packs break, you have to throw it away, and you need to make sure that's gone because it is not necessarily non-toxic. I don't even know what's in it, so I don't want to speak to that.
Non-toxic polymer crystals.
But these are
100%
non-toxic.
safe. Yeah, no, they're non-toxic for sure. I wouldn't bring something here if it was toxic. You're using this in your kitchen.
Come on.
But you know what? This one I say, it's not just for coolers. It's for your Saatchi bag. Cut it and form it around your yogurts and your dressings that you don't want to have to worry about getting warm. Your fruit. You don't need this big, heavy gel pack to fit in and take up room.
So let me tell you a little bit of a value here, because if you were to go to ThermaFreeze website, you'd pay $16.10 just for 10 of the medium sheets. We're actually giving you 5 large sheets as well for $19. But if you are buying more than one, then you're going to be saving $3 on each additional set that you pick up. So now the price is $16.
Isn't that crazy?
It's really, really great to do that. Plus, you're going to save on your shipping and handling as well.
Exactly.
And you will use these again and again and again in so many different things. We're actually getting ready to take a trip to Indiana. We're going to drive. We set out tomorrow morning.
Oh, I'm so excited for you.
For me,
you have to take some of these with you.
So I am, because we always have, milk for Isabella. We have juice for Isabella's. We have, their little, all kinds of little things that we like to bring, some cheese and things. Well, all of that gets hot very quickly when it's just having the ice pack itself.
Right.
This can actually wrap all the way around those individual cheeses.
Yeah, just like this. And that's why what I like to do is, especially when I'm grocery shopping, I bring it with me so I can run those extra errands and I don't have to worry about it. Again, flexible when frozen, reusable over and over. And the amount of time that it's going to last depends on where you have it. If it's in your car and it's 120 degrees, it might not last as long as it being in a car that's 100 degrees. But you know what? Use it to run those extra errands. Do those extra things that you want to do. This is another temperature thing that I did, Nancy. I just want to show you real quick, because you're talking about maybe bringing it with you when you travel, or maybe your kids have it in their lunchbox at school. So here I did this one. I set this myself at home 5 hours and 33 minutes ago, and the temperature inside here, this milk with the gel pack, is 55 degrees. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put the thermometer over here in my same lunchbox with the same foods. And how about egg salad? Can you imagine if you didn't have your ThermaFreeze in there?
Or turkey.
So this is 39 degrees. That's a huge difference.
Okay, honestly, why would you want to use this or the kind of packs that come with, your steaks or whatever that you use over again? Because they don't wrap around the food that you have and keep them actually cold, and each individual item cold.
And just put it back in the freezer when you're done and refreeze it. Use it over and over
again. They're from ThermaFreeze. It's a set of 15 reusable ice sheets. Buy more, save more of $3. So your first set $19, each additional $16. Now this is the only day this month that you will find this on the Buy More, Save More. So definitely take advantage of that tonight. K34711. Thank you so very much, Miss Lisa.